Hello everyone. Welcome to Taylor Made Stories. It's a brand new episode with me, Neeti. I hope you guys are doing really good and winters are around the corner. It's getting cold and आपको भी थोड़ी एहसास wherever you guys are sitting, Bombay, Delhi, Pune, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, wherever you all are, I think it's getting a little chilly. Kolkata, I'm not missing you guys out, and Nepal also, everywhere, whoever you guys are. And I hope कि आप अपना बहुत ध्यान रख रहे हो because it's getting cold now and now virals are also out. वायरस तो है ही, अभी वायरल भी चालू हो गया. So I hope you guys are taking the utmost care of yourself and your loved ones, everybody around you. So today I'm super excited because this video में मैं बात करने वाली हूँ about all those messages that you guys have sent about this product. And I'm too looking forward to this, and it's amazing. Jitna bhi I have read about it, it's really amazing. So today we'll be testing the Kama Ayurveda's sensitive skin cleansing foam and the pure rose water toner and the Kumkumadi miraculous beauty fluid Ayurvedic night serum. Now naturally आप सबने इतना रिक्वेस्ट किया है तो आई थॉट कि आज लेट मी टॉक अबाउट इट. एंड इम्प्रेशन से बात थोड़ी ना बनती है ना. दे से इट टेक्स 21 days either to make or break a habit. इसलिए फॉर अ कंप्लीट ओवरऑल रिव्यू for the next 20 days I'll be using the Kama Ayurveda's products and देखते हैं how they perform. And let's begin with the video. So now if you don't know, but Kama Ayurveda's has a variety of products. Okay, I'm just gonna put this here. Now these products range not just to skincare also but hair and body. Okay, and they focus on ingredients. The formula of the product, इसलिए इनके सारे products 100% natural, organic, vegan and cruelty free होते हैं. So products जो हम आज मतलब जो मैं आज टेस्ट करने वाली हूँ, दे आर पार्ट ऑफ द नाइट केयर रिजीम, जिसमें आपको मिलेगा सेंसिटिव स्किन cleansing foam and pure rose water toner, which I'm going to put here, rose water toner, and the Kumkumadi night serum. Now इससे पहले we get into the products, it's very important to understand the difference between, I hope you guys can see me, the difference between day care routine and your night skincare routine. So because it's daytime, so there's a lot of sun, there's a lot of pollution, UV rays, lots of makeup. So most of the day care products include SPF, antioxidants जैसे ingredients आपको मिलेंगे to energize your skin, to make it lively. And इनके formulas less greasy होते हैं. So whereas night creams especially heavy duty repair करता है, restore and आप जब rest या relax कर रहे हो, so इनमें anti-aging, moisturizing, restoring properties होते हैं. They are mostly richer and thicker and heavier. So इसलिए actually repair your skin, a night care regime is really important. Now coming back to Kama Ayurveda regime, इसमें हमारा पहला product है sensitive skin cleansing foam. Now for sensitive skin, this is what I have, the sensitive skin cleansing foam for all the sensitive skin out there, the people who have very sensitive skin, this product is for you. So a bottle of 50 ml will come for $795 and a bottle of 100 ml will come for $1,495. So इसमें आपको मिलेगा aloe vera, sandalwood and calendula जैसे ingredients आपको मिलेंगे. They claim to have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that help soothe and cool sensitive skin and your redness that you have. Apart from soothing and softening and restoring, it will be also really good for your redness and your dryness in your skin if you have. So what else do you want? Like, isn't it like amazing? Now we've spoken about this. Now coming back to the pure rose water toner, I'm telling you, I just put it anytime. It's amazing and it smells so good. So of course, इसमें ingredients, well, rose तो है ही as stated, but apparently this has a balanced skin pH, which tightens pores, reduces oiliness and hydrates. And one thing good about this toner है that इसमें there is no alcohol, so आपको breakouts नहीं होंगे. And this only cost a 50 ml bottle cost only for 300 rupees, and a 200 ml bottle cost only for 1150. So this is amazing. Now coming back to the last step, that is the last step of the night regime. So this is the Kumkumadi night serum. This cost for a 12 ml bottle, it's for 2550, and इसमें है सैंडलवुड, मुल्तानी मिट्टी, जैसे ingredients, saffron, manjistha. My pronunciation is bad, so guys, say it down. That's the word. Okay, it's proper noun, so don't correct me. So yes, this serum claims to repair pigmentation, illuminate complexion. This serum claims to repair pigmentation, illuminate complexion, and even skin tone, repair aging and minimizing the fine line, and also reduces dark circles. Abhi, isn't that like really amazing? Now I'm going to tell you about applying these products and how they work. So for the cleanser, इसे apply करने के लिए you should have a damp skin, appropriate amount of water that you should have, and apply कीजिए थोड़ा सा and lightly massage it on your face. इसे फिर rinse कीजिए, towel से pat करिए, don't rub your face. Now right after the application I can feel कि मेरी skin थोड़ी firm हो गई है, and मेरा BB cream from early on पूरा निकल गया है. So start से अब तक it all looks good. Now next we will tone our face. Just to spray it and woof. So just spray it and woof. Wait, let me get more pumps. It's so refreshing, I can't tell you guys. It's amazing. It feels like I'm transported to Hawaii on a beach or something. It's actually amazing, and the fragrance is amazing. Now continuing on your quest, finally comes the big boy or a girl, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to take this on my fingertips. Yeah, I'm going to put this, okay, so like you can see. Now I'm going to rub it. Then I'm just going to massage my face. Oh, it's so good. The texture is amazing. I can already feel so relaxed, and the fragrance is really good. Oh wow. So yes, okay guys, I'm enjoying this. I'm sorry for my eyes being shut and all. And yes, I know it's night time and I'm wearing lipstick. Oh, I was like, let me just be cool today, because generally I don't wear it. So yeah, this actually feels so good. So guys, I'm going to try this product for a week. So this is the duration that I'm shooting in. So अभी मैं वापस आने वाली हूँ after a week, और आपको बताने वाली हूँ कि how the results are, because I don't tell you guys about anything till I have tested and till I am sure about everything. So okay, I'm just going to massage. It's so amazing. So hey guys, it's been a week and I hope the setup is still the same. Like, I tried my level best. So since it's been a week since I have done the application, and so far most visible difference I can tell that every morning utne ke baad, instead of a croissant, my skin feels like a gel, like a jelly. It feels like a jelly. It's hydrated. It's so soft. It's so supple. It's so firm. It's not overbearing कि पिलो पर आपको फेस इंप्रेशन ही आ जाए. Thank God for that. Also, the toner is so refreshing, guys. Like, I'm telling you, I use it anytime. It's just so amazing. Like, this is like so amazing. It just refreshes you. So when you're having a stressful day, just use this and just pump some and you'll be like so good. And it's only 1 week down and 2 more to go. But this is really really amazing, and I'm so glad that I'm sharing my experience with you. So I'll be back again. So hey guys, it's week 2. It's the 14th day and my skin really feels so good. You know, यहाँ अहमदाबाद में आके the water, मेरा hair इतना dry हो गया, इतना fizzy हो गया. My skin was like, I got a lot of acne which I don't get. My skin became so dry. Now my skin is coming back to my baby soft cheeks. Can you guys see this? Like, they're so cute. वापस मैं क्यूट हो गई और मेरे चीक्स भी क्यूट हो गए, पता है ऐसे गायब हो गए थे. बट आई एम सो ग्लैड. बट ये तो जस्ट वीक 2 में इतना अच्छा रिजल्ट मेरे को देखने को मिला है. माय हिंदी इज राइट. पिगमेंटेशन कम हो गई है. डार्क सर्कल्स जो मेरे थोड़े आ गए थे अभी बट कम हो गए हैं, इफ़ यू कैन सी. And जो acne marks है, basically I have a lot of acne marks, that's also reduced, and my skin is so nice and it's so smooth, it's so amazing. It's just week 2 but I know मुझे देख के लगता नहीं है कि मेरी शादी हो गई, but guys I'm married, I just look young. Okay, so I'm gonna be back. Okay, yes, be back. अभी 1 more week is left. Yes. So it's the day, you guys. Now just to make sure मैं कुछ makeup नहीं लगाया, here I'm doing a tissue test. 1 minute. Okay. There is nothing. For 3 weeks I have just used Kama Ayurveda's cleanser, toner and night serum, and as of now there is visible decrease of hyperpigmentation around my mouth and under my eyes, and plus my dark circles which I had little, they have also gone down so much, and it's phenomenal. I mean the night serum was just a game changer. My skin is so smooth, I can't tell you. जैसे आप before and after pictures कर सकते हैं. If you can see the previous part that I shot and now, like you can see that my skin is actually glowing, and there is no makeup here. कोई makeup नहीं है. There is nothing. So this is just amazing. Like there's nothing, guys. I know it's a colorful. There is nothing on this. So it's just amazing. Ayurveda के सारे products stood true to their claims, and of course ये तो सिर्फ 3 week wear test था. I am convinced by 3 months too there will be more changes and consistency. And अगर आपको वो भी देखना है, so let me know in the comments. You know, tell me what should I do, should we do this or not, and if you want to try more of their products. But as of now I would highly recommend this product to you guys. These 3 products, they're amazing. You can head over to kamaayurveda.com, so make sure you check it out and place your orders right now because this is amazing. And if you guys want me to, you know, do such testing with other products of Kama Ayurveda, just let me know in comments below and let me know how I can help you and how I can be at service to you. And I'm always here helping you guys out, and I always have to try it first and then share it with you. Otherwise I just don't like, nah, that's not me. But I hope you like this episode. If you do, all you gotta do is like, comment, and please subscribe, those of you who haven't. Please press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload an episode. And I hope you enjoyed this. Yeah, go shopping. This is amazing. You guys can see my skin. It's amazing. And just because it's the tissues colored, ऊपर का part कर लेती हूँ मैं. ये लीजिए. There is no makeup, no high heels. चित्रों विचारने ना दिल में टीज मेरी सोनी है. Okay, bye guys. See you. Bye.